Let's begin by defining motivation. Psychologists define it as a psychological force that creates the enthusiasm and persistence we need to pursue our goals. When they study motivation through research and their work with organizations, they approach it in several different ways. One approach is to think about motivation in terms of people's needs. Examples include the need for security, for authority, and for self-esteem. These needs drive or motivate their behaviors, and they act in ways that meet or satisfy their needs. Someone with a high need for belongingness, for example, may choose to join several ad hoc committees at work, while someone with a high need for accomplishment may decide to apply for a promotion. Another way of looking at motivation is to consider the environment. How do factors, like rewards and punishments, influence motivation? How is drive impacted by other people and their behaviors? And what organizational policies encourage or discourage motivation? We can also think about motivation in terms of cognition and emotions. How do people's expectations about performance influence their drive? And how do their perceptions of their ability to live up to that performance play a role? For instance, if someone doesn't believe they can succeed, they're less likely to even try. So what does that mean for the manager? We might also consider people's intentions or their goals in order to understand how and what motivates them. Sometimes employees' personal goals do not align with the goals of the group or organization. Managers might then need to realign their goals with the organization's or find some common ground. So how does motivation work? Motivation directs our efforts toward goal-relevant behaviors and allows us to persist over the long run, even in the face of obstacles. While everyone is motivated to some degree, we vary in what motivates us and what we are motivated to do. Some people are driven by the possibility of earning extra days off or cash bonuses, while others are motivated by social recognition or health benefits. Some people are motivated to earn a degree, start a business, or travel around the world. By learning about each employee's motives, managers can tailor their strategies and motivate more effectively.